I'm happy to work with the Isenberg community as a whole and to bring a sense of awareness and understanding about what it is to be one community. My name is Jesenia Minier-Jennings. I serve as the Assistant Dean for Diversity, Equity, Inclusion, and Belonging at Isenberg, and I've been here now for a little over a month. So I'm a first-generation student. I've been down the road of having to build upon my education, and just doing that in such a global market is really important. So having the mentorships, having the experiences, especially lived experiences in what it's like to be a student, I'm looking to provide a strategic vision on infrastructure to Isenberg. We want to be as inclusive, creating inclusive spaces. We want to provide opportunities for engagement, to build upon already the existing structures that are here at Isenberg. There's so many communities that people are unaware of and do not know anything about, and we want to showcase that really well with the introduction of this office, and then what we have as offerings with different sponsorships, the different student communities that exist that people know very little about, and wanting to showcase that openly. Love to have an opportunity to meet Mark Cuban. I say that because I love all the entrepreneurship opportunities he gives to individuals, all the work that he's done, all the philanthropic work that he's done, and to his own credit, his own success in his career. I love what he's done for his community, for himself, and the fact that he also loves spending time with his family. It's a collaborative approach. It's not one person doing the job. In order for us to learn, to grow, and to be marketable individuals in society, we have to do this growing together, learning together, engaging each other. And that's what I think people should know about this work. I'm a big proponent of cooking. I love taking cooking classes. I love to cook, and doing it with my family, it just brings a sense of love and inspiration. I do elliptical at least 30 minutes a day, not 30 times. Oh goodness. And then walking my dogs. So I have 2 Frenchies, Romeo and Juliet. And so that brings a lot of relaxation.